Our solar system is a vast and fascinating place. Among its many wonders are the giant planets. These planets are much larger than Earth. They include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each has its own unique features and stories. These giants are not just big, they are also quite different from each other. Their sizes, compositions, and atmospheres vary. Some have rings, while others have extreme weather. Understanding these planets helps us learn more about the universe. The discovery of these planets dates back centuries. Ancient astronomers knew about Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus and Neptune were found much later. These discoveries have shaped our knowledge of the cosmos. In this essay, we will explore these giant planets. We will look at their characteristics and what makes them special. We will also compare them to Earth. Let's begin our journey through the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. Jupiter's diameter is about 11 times that of Earth. Its mass is more than 300 times greater. Jupiter is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. It has a thick atmosphere with swirling clouds. These clouds create colorful bands around the planet. The Great Red Spot is one of Jupiter's most famous features. It is a giant storm that has raged for centuries. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field. This field traps charged particles from the sun. These particles create bright auroras around the planet's poles. Jupiter also has many moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons. Each of these moons is unique and interesting in its own right. Jupiter's size and power make it a fascinating subject of study. Scientists believe it played a key role in shaping our solar system. By studying Jupiter, we can learn more about how planets form and evolve. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings. These rings are made of ice and rock. They are the most extensive ring system in the solar system. Saturn's diameter is about 9 times that of Earth. Its mass is 95 times greater. Saturn is also composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Its atmosphere has less distinct bands than Jupiter's. However, it still has storms and cloud patterns. One of the most interesting features is the hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole. Saturn has a weaker magnetic field compared to Jupiter. Nevertheless, it still produces auroras. Saturn has over 80 moons, with Titan being the largest. Titan has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. This makes it one of the most intriguing moons in the solar system. The rings of Saturn have fascinated scientists and the public alike. They provide clues about the planet's history and formation. By studying Saturn and its rings, we can gain insights into the dynamics of our solar system. Uranus is unique among the giant planets because of its extreme tilt. Its axis is tilted by about 98 degrees. This means Uranus rotates on its side. This unusual tilt causes extreme seasonal changes. Uranus has a diameter 4 times that of Earth. Its mass is 14 times greater, yet it is less dense than the other giant planets. Uranus is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives Uranus its blue-green color. Uranus has a faint ring system. Its rings are dark and hard to see. Uranus also has 27 known moons. Miranda, one of its moons, has a bizarre landscape with cliffs and valleys. Uranus has a weaker magnetic field than Jupiter and Saturn. However, it is still strong enough to create auroras. The discovery of Uranus was a milestone in astronomy. It was the first planet found with a telescope. Its unique tilt and composition make it a fascinating object of study. Scientists continue to learn more about Uranus and its role in the solar system. Section 5. Neptune, the windy world. Neptune is known for its strong winds. These winds can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. This makes Neptune the windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune's diameter is about 4 times that of Earth. Its mass is 17 times greater. One of its notable features was the Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Triton, the largest moon, orbits Neptune in the opposite direction. The discovery of Neptune was a triumph of mathematics and astronomy. Section 6. Comparing the giants to Earth. The giant planets are vastly different from Earth. They are much larger and more massive. Jupiter's diameter is 11 times that of Earth, and its mass is over 300 times greater. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are also significantly larger and more massive than Earth. While Earth is rocky, the giants are mostly made of gases like hydrogen and helium. This gives them thick atmospheres and unique weather patterns. Earth has 1 moon, while the giant planets have many. Saturn's rings are the most famous, but all the giant planets have ring systems. They have extreme weather conditions, like Jupiter's Great Red Spot and Neptune's strong winds. These differences make the giant planets exciting subjects of study. Section 7. Fun facts about Jupiter. Jupiter is full of surprises. Did you know that it has 79 moons? The four largest, called the Galilean moons, are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is even bigger than Mercury. Another amazing fact is Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This storm is so big that 3 Earths could fit inside it. It has been raging for at least 400 years. Scientists are still trying to understand why it lasts so long. Jupiter also has a very strong magnetic field. It is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This field creates intense radiation belts around the planet. These belts can damage spacecraft that come too close. Finally, Jupiter is a fast spinner. It rotates once every 10 hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at the equator. These fun facts make Jupiter one of the most fascinating planets to study. Section 8. Fun facts about Saturn. Saturn is famous for its rings, but there is more to this planet. Did you know that Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system? It is so light that it would float in water if there were a bathtub big enough. Saturn's rings are made of billions of small particles. These particles range in size from tiny grains to large boulders. The rings are very thin, only about 30 feet thick in some places. However, they extend out over 170,000 miles from the planet. Saturn also has a unique moon called Enceladus. This moon has geysers that shoot water vapor into space. Scientists believe there might be an ocean under its icy surface. This makes Enceladus a prime target for future exploration. Another interesting fact is Saturn's hexagon-shaped storm. This storm is located at the planet's north pole. It is a 6-sided jet stream that is unlike anything seen on other planets. These fun facts make Saturn an exciting planet to study. Section 9. Fun facts about Uranus. Uranus is a planet of extremes. One of the most interesting facts is its tilt. The planet's axis is tilted by 98 degrees. This means it rotates on its side. This unusual tilt results in extreme seasonal changes. Each pole gets 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is also known for its faint rings. These rings are made of dark particles, making them hard to see. They were discovered in 1977 using a ground-based telescope. Uranus has 27 known moons. One of the most interesting is Miranda. This moon has a bizarre surface with giant canyons and cliffs. Some of these cliffs are 12 miles high, making them some of the tallest in the solar system. Uranus was the first planet discovered with a telescope. It was found by astronomer William Herschel in 1781. This discovery expanded our understanding of the solar system and inspired further exploration. These fun facts make Uranus a fascinating planet to study. Section 10. Fun facts about Neptune. Neptune is a planet of powerful winds. The strongest winds on Neptune can reach up to 1,200 miles per hour. These winds are faster than the speed of sound. Scientists are still trying to understand what drives these extreme winds. Neptune has a great dark spot similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This storm was first observed in 1989 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. However, it disappeared a few years later. New dark spots have appeared since then, showing the dynamic nature of Neptune's atmosphere. Neptune has 14 known moons. Triton is the largest and most interesting. Triton orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. It also has geysers that spew nitrogen gas. This makes Triton one of the coldest objects in the solar system. Neptune was discovered using mathematical predictions. Astronomers noticed irregularities in Uranus's orbit and predicted another planet's presence. Neptune was observed in 1846, confirming these predictions. These fun facts make Neptune a fascinating planet to study. Section 11. The significance of giant planets. The giant planets play a crucial role in our solar system. Their massive sizes and strong gravitational forces affect the orbits of other objects. They help protect Earth by deflecting comets and asteroids. These planets also provide valuable insights into planetary formation and evolution. By studying their atmospheres, rings, and moons, scientists learn more about the processes that shaped our solar system. Each giant planet has unique features that contribute to our understanding. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Saturn's rings, Uranus's tilt, and Neptune's winds are all fascinating phenomena. They challenge our understanding and drive scientific inquiry. These planets also inspire future exploration missions. In conclusion, the giant planets are essential to our solar system. They are not just massive and distant objects, they are dynamic worlds with complex systems. Studying them helps us understand the universe and our place in it. The giants of our solar system continue to captivate and inspire us.